Hello, today I'm going to talk about absolute value function. We know absolute value is defined as the non-negative value of a number and as a function is defined as below if x is equal to x for positive numbers and minus x for negative numbers. In general, it is called a piecewise function, which I will discuss it later. The graph of this function is going to be for positive x is equal to y is equal to x, and for negative values is going to be y minus x. So like this. Basically, the function output is always positive. For positive values, the output of the function is the same as the input, but for the negative input, the output is going to be the minus or the negative of the input, which meaning again is going to be a positive number. Now let's take a look at another example. Suppose that we want to graph this function absolute value of y is equal to x. In order to graph this function, we can divide it two cases. So x is equal to, for positive values, for 0 is going to be y, and for negative values including 0 is going to be minus y. And to graph it, x, y, for positive value, x is equal to y, equal to x, and for negative values, minus y is equal to x. Now, as I explained it in one of my previous videos, by drawing a vertical line parallel to y-axis, we can clearly see the line crosses more than one point, any location. Meaning, for example, for this input value x0, we have two output values, which contradicts the definition of a function. So basically, this function is not a function, it's only a relation. Each part can be a function. For example, for positive y is a function, and for negative y values, this is a function. But in total, this is only a relation, not a function. Thank you.